An important accessory is the air blower fan to create a stable cabinet climate. The air blower is controlled by a control unit and switches on automatically as required. There are air blades for targeted cooling ventilation on components with particularly high heat loss. The blades are installed instead of the comb segments. The use of air blades avoids dangerous hotspots. The control unit also includes 3 PT100 sensors, which switch the air blower on or off when the interior of the cabinet is above the required temperature. The temperature sensors are placed underneath sensitive components where hotspots could arise.